Welcome to you all guys. Let's jump into installation. We can get Python in Python official website. So go to Google and type python.org. Then go to the download and select all releases and click it. There you can see Python latest version, which is 3.8.5. Click it and download it. Once download is complete, then go to the downloaded location and run the file. You can install it in default location by clicking in Install Now. Or you can manually install in another location by clicking Custom Installation. I prefer Custom Installation, so click on it. You can select many option you prefer while installing, it's your choice. Make sure you install Python in separate location for Python, where it is easy to access. So that later on, it will help you to setting interpreter for text editor. Then select the location where you want to install by clicking on Browse. Then install it. In CPython IDE. You can try some print statement. There are many text editor online. But I personally use PyCharm and VS Code. You can go to Chrome and type PyCharm download. Go to PyCharm website. You can see professional and community version. It's your choice. I personally use community version. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it helped for installation of Python.